Okay, I have a network device, let's say it's a printer, and it's connected to a printer's VLAN. And the port that it's connected to is configured for that particular VLAN. It's functioning, everything is good. Now, what if I move it to a different section of the building or to a different closet? Well, I'm gonna have to reconfigure that port, that new port, so that it can actually work for this printer. Otherwise, the printer will go offline and it will not be functional. There's a bunch of different ways to do this. Not getting into all those conversations for this particular video, but I want to focus on how Nile actually achieves this. So there are no VLANs in a Nile service block, which is, by the way, a term that Nile uses for the network. And when I was looking through the APIs that Nile offers and working on creating some kind of script to accomplish this, that is moving the devices into different networks that they need to go in, this kind of simple thing, but clicked in my mind that, oh, I'm actually not configuring individual switch or an individual port. I'm configuring a whole Nile service block. So now, once I move the device into the network that it belongs in, I'm done. I don't have to worry about it. It's always going to end up in the same exact network, no matter where I move it. I can move it to the same switch in a different port. I can move it from one switch to another switch, different closet, different building, different site. As long as the printer's segment exists, that context exists, it's always going to end up there until I go in, rerun my script, and change it around. So the script is very basic. Of course, I'm not a programmer, but I feel like somebody who has much more knowledge about automation can take something like this and create something much more sophisticated. Would love to hear your thoughts.